Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install and remove the OtterBox Symmetry Series Flex Case for Galaxy Z Flip4 with hinge protection. You'll notice that with the built-in hinge protection, the two halves of the case can slide apart. For installation, make sure both halves of the case are slid together and are touching. Also, make sure that the camera opening and buttons are aligned. Take the device and place it into the edge of the case on one side and press all the way around to snap it into place. Once it's snapped into place, press against the edges to make sure the device is firmly seated in the case. To remove the case, use your fingers to press against the rear of the device in the camera opening to pop the device out of the case. And there you have it.